Hello, I've just been doing a little job on the truck and I thought I'd show you what I've done, and I'll show you a little hint or tip that might be useful for somebody with a similar truck. The headlamp cover's off, the headlamp door is off because I've just been messing about with them, but basically when I set this up I wanted to have flashing indicators on the front, directional indicators, and so what I did, I've utilised the side light or parking light bulb holder, which you can see in the top there, and the problem with that is that those are designed for a 5-watt bulb. Now I know in America you tend to use numbers for the bulbs, but here in England this is a 5-watt bulb, and it's like what you would have for, it's a parking light bulb. An indicator bulb is normally 21 watts. Okay, so here what I did, I bought new headlamp units which fit in exactly the same way as normal with the ring, and they've got the parking light as part of the unit. It's called a pilot light sometimes, and these are the sort of lamps that are fitted to the classic British standard Mini. The parking light is in the headlight, and I'll show you that. So there you can see the parking lights are in the main headlamp unit, which frees up the socket there for the indicator. So I'll turn the indicator on now. So there's the indicator in the parking light position, the old parking light position. But that is a side light bulb. That's a 5-watt bulb. It's not bright enough for an indicator. But what I found was these little mini scooters that you can buy. They use a 12-volt 21-watt bulb, the same size and shape as the side light bulb. Look, so there's one. So you can put that in there and it lights up brighter than that. So I'll show you what that looks like. Hang on. So there's a little side light bulb come out, look. And here's the little ones that they use on the scooters. So put that in there. So that's just gone in there. So I'll put the cover on so you can get an idea of how it looks. So you can see that's quite a lot brighter. And well, certainly in real life it looks bright, so I don't know about on the camera. And that, I believe, is quite a neat little solution, and you can see I've got one in there as well. You see I've got one in there. So that's what I've been running on the truck now for the last couple of years, and I had to take it off because that one on that side stopped working and the bulb had gone. When I bought them, I bought a packet of 4, so I got a couple of spares. But I think that's quite a neat little solution, really. That's how it looks, so I think that's pretty good. It's a lovely sort of iconic shape, isn't it, the 40/41 pickup. Anyway, that's my little bit of Mart's tips, because I didn't know these bulbs existed till I found them when I was looking for something for this vehicle, and I think they work pretty well. So if you want to do this, what you're looking for is 9mm diameter, 21 watt bulbs, and commonly they're used on the little mini scooters. Okay, there you go then, that's just a little quickie from me. Okay then, thanks a lot then, bye.